Tulog yung ulo, Mamma Mia. Usog ka mo rin yung like that, okay? Porque you're pulling down. Kwa. Porco na guys. He dorme outside. And just come back home now. Guarda, porco. He need shower. Mamma mia, dorme ba? And sleep well. Gusto niya matulog. Sa kabilang kwarto.